Record highs mask surging inflation as artificial intelligence rescues Wall Street today. Welcome. This is Daily Market in 3 minutes. Let's dive in Wall Street. The S&P 500 closed higher at a record 7,440. The Nasdaq Composite surged 1.2% to set a new high at 26,400. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped slightly to 49,690. In the Magnificent Seven, Nvidia jumped 4% to $235. Microsoft gained 1%. Meta edged higher. Conversely, Apple, Tesla, and Alphabet fell slightly, while Amazon dropped 1%, reflecting the extremely narrow leadership. Energy won the day, surging over 2% on higher oil prices, alongside healthcare and consumer staples. Communication services lost over 2%, and information technology lagged as mid-cap software sold off. Bitcoin held strong near $81,000, up 2% today. Gold dipped 1% to $4,690 an ounce. Silver plunged 6% to $83. WTI crude oil climbed 1% to $102 a barrel. A massive April producer price index shock rocked markets early today. Inflation surged 1.4% for the month, nearly triple the estimates. This blistering data sparked a rotation into defensive sectors like healthcare and consumer staples while pressuring the broader market. However, a highly anticipated Trump and Xi summit in Beijing rescued tech. Reports confirmed the United States cleared Nvidia chip sales to select Chinese buyers. This targeted news overpowered the inflation data, launching Nvidia and the Nasdaq to record highs and creating a stark market divergence. Lastly, President Trump rejected a ceasefire proposal from Iran. With the Strait of Hormuz blockade fully intact, energy supplies remain severely constrained. This geopolitical deadlock pushed crude oil back over $100, driving the energy sector significantly higher. The 10-year yield spiked to 4.49%, with the 10 to 2-year curve spread at 31 basis points. The dollar index reached 98.8, while the VIX fell to 17.8. Climbing yields and a stronger dollar signal the bond market is bracing for sticky inflation, creating a firm ceiling for future equity valuations. The CNN Fear and Greed Index scored a 65.8. This greed rating highlights a state of market euphoria that largely ignores underlying economic deterioration and rising costs. The market outlook remains incredibly fragile. Optimism is heavily concentrated in a handful of artificial intelligence leaders, masking the stark fact that over 60% of individual stocks actually declined today. If restrictive monetary policy and inflation persist, gravity may eventually take hold of this parabolic trend. Critical events in the coming 7 days include the New York Empire State Manufacturing Survey, April industrial production data, and the Federal Open Market Committee meeting minutes next Wednesday. As always, this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.